How to fix the can't reach this page error in Microsoft Edge. So if you can't load a website and you're getting this error message, I'll show you a few ways on how to solve this. Now, first thing you need to do is click on the three horizontal dots in your browser and then come down to Settings. From the left hand side, click on Privacy Search and Services and click on Clear Browsing Data. You can then change the time frame to all time and go and press Clear Now. Once you've done this, come back over to your website and check if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, open up the Start menu on your computer, search for Settings and click on this window here. From the left hand side, select Network and Internet, and then you'll need to scroll down to Proxy. Now if you have automatically detect settings turned on, go and toggle this to off. Now once you've done this, open up your Start menu again, search for View Network Connections and click on this window. Now go and right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and just press Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 and select Properties. Now click on Use the following DNS server addresses and you need to go and type in 8.8.8.8 and also 8.8.4.4 and then press OK to save these changes. Once you've done this, you can check to see if you can now visit the website. If it's still not working, open up your Start menu again and then click on Settings. From the left hand side, click on Network and Internet. You can click on VPN, and if you're currently using a VPN, try turning off and disabling the VPN. Once you've done this, come back over to Network and Internet, scroll down to Advanced Network Settings, and then scroll down to Network Reset. Click the Reset Now button and then go and press Yes. Once this has been reset, you will need to restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, you can reconnect to your Wi-Fi, and you should now be able to load websites in Microsoft Edge.